we have 3 or 4 more figures remaining in the 2D section. Okay, so first is sector of circle. So what is the sector of circle? Sector of circle is the part of a circle, some part of that circle, just like this is a circle and this is the part of circle. This is a sector of a circle, just like a cake. If you cut the cake, there is a sector, conical sector. We cut out and give to your friends and your relatives the part. That is the part sector of circle. Okay. So then, what is the perimeter of a sector of a circle, and what is the area of sector of a circle? This is the center, this is radius, and this is somehow angle theta. Okay, angle is theta, and radius is equal to r. So what is the perimeter of the sector of circle? Perimeter of the sector of circle. So this is the theta upon 360 degree. Our circle is the total 360 degree. This is the 360 degree whole. So theta upon 360 degree into 2 by r. Okay. After that, area of the sector of circle is equals to theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. Okay. After that, come to the next figure. Parallel. From this word parallelogram, we conclude that the figure whose opposite sides are parallel is known as parallelogram. Only parallel, not equal. Okay. So this is the figure of parallelogram whose opposite sides are parallel. This is A, this is also A, this is B, this is also B. So area of first perimeter of parallelogram is equals to 2 times A and 2 times B, and area of parallelogram is equals to this is the height of that parallelogram. Okay, this is h. Okay, so the area of parallelogram is A into h. Height, this is the height, and the height lie on the side into that, A into h. Okay, this is the perimeter and this is the area of parallelogram. After that, rhombus. Rhombus, the figure whose all sides are equal and parallel is known as rhombus. Just like this. All sides are equal. Sorry, all sides are equal but opposite sides are parallel. And whose diagonal cut at 90 degree, and the diagonals of the rhombus never equal. This is D1, this is D2. Okay, so perimeter of rhombus is equal to sum of all sides is equal to A plus A is equals to 4, and area equals to 1 upon 2 into D1 into D2. D1 into D2, diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Okay. Here is another formula. 4a square equals to d1 square plus d2 square. This is another formula to gain the side of rhombus. Okay, this is the perimeter, this is the area, and this is the formula of to gain side of the rhombus if given that diagonal 1, diagonal 2. After that, we go to the next diagram figure. This is trapezium. Trapezium. What is trapezium? This is trapezium. Whose a figure whose only two sides are parallel is known as trapezium. This is trapezium. This is A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, D. Okay. And this is the height. Okay. So first perimeter of trapezium equals to A plus B plus C plus D, means sum of all sides. And area equals to 1 upon 2 into height into sum of 1 upon 2 into height into sum of parallel side. This is height and this is the sum of this is the parallel side. Okay, the sum of parallel side is A plus B. Means area equals to 1 upon 2 into H into A plus. Okay, this is all from my side. These are the two-dimensional figures and their perimeter, their area, what are the perimeter, what are the area of the two-dimensional diagrams. These are okay. Thank you. And now the next topic is 3D. That will I start. Okay.
7 मिनट 56 हो गया।